This time we will explain a tutorial for application the Microsoft Translator translation application. Before entering the tutorial, we will introduce ourselves. My name is Simon Baso.
My name is Wendy Deswaryospa.
My name is Serang Bakula.
My name is Librata Widam Perubak.
Firstly, we enter the Microsoft Translation application. So, in this Microsoft Translation application, there are several features. The first is a microphone feature, the second is a keyboard feature, the third is a conversation group feature, and the last is a camera feature. The first thing we are going to do is a tap on the microphone icon. Let your simple talk into the mic. When you're ready another language, notice that the button below the microphone you can set your language. You can set your spoken language. I'll set mine to English. And you can set the language that you like your spoken language translate into. In this case, I want translate into Indonesian. Notice this icon here at the bottom right corner, the dual microphone. If tap, notice that my screen divides half on half for myself and one half for the individuals. I'm speaking with. Let's tap the microphone to talk. Hello man, what are you doing?
Halo kawan,
So,
apa yang kamu lakukan?
you can see that not only what I say is translate, but it is then read aloud to the individual I'm speaking with. Notice that I can always flip that next around and I can reply at any time by call noisy. Let's go back. Alright.
Then next, we will go to the second feature, namely the second keyboard. If you want to translate the language with the keyboard feature, you just have to press keyboard and it will appear like this. You just have to select the language that will be used, for example, language English. And also select the target language, for example, language French. Then type the word of or sentence that you want to translate, for example, happy birthday. And the translation will appear automatically. If you want to hear the translation result, you can press voice, for example,
Bon anniversaire.
and there will be a sound for the translation result. Then, when we want to enlarge the translation resolution screen, we press the arrow. For example, and it will appear like this. This is the second feature of Microsoft Translator.
Next, we enter the conversation group translation feature. They hope. Let's go back looking to start a conversation with a larger group of individuals. Tap the conversations icon, and if you have a conversation code that someone else has shared with you, enter that code in here or click the camera to scan the QR code and simply click join. If you are starting the conversation, simply click start. Enter your name, for example Librata. Choose your language, for example English, that you will be speaking in. Click enter and Microsoft Translator will create a conversation code. Share this code or this QR code with other individuals. They can scan or enter the code below on the translator app, or they can visit the website link above once ready. Press enter if you have typed what you want to translate and send the message. For the example sentence, I love you. Then enter the sentence. After that, the translation results will automatically appear in the conversation partner. The next, enter the microphone feature. For example, I am clever and handsome students in Ukit Toraja. Then, result will automatically appear in voice note translation. The last, we move on to the camera feature. Tap the camera to start. Then we select the language will we use. For example, I choose the language English. And we select the language or target language. For example, I choose the language Indonesian. And then we take a picture, and we can take a picture from the gallery. Will automatically be translated. We can also take a picture directly. Picture we take will automatically be translated. And if you want to change the target language, we can select it here. And there are active language available. So that's the way to go for the camera feature. That's the tutorial from our group on how to use the Microsoft Translator application.
Thank you.